Hi you guys, so I'm back today with my swap from Rebecca Hoot's Favorite Things Spring Swap. This came to me from my swap partner, and this is favorite journal things. You had to put down on the little sign-up sheet what your favorite journaling supplies were, and I put down lacy trims and beads for charms. So let's see what we got. And of course you can give each other whatever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so this was what was in the box. Let me go ahead and so I'll show you. There was like a little button that came off of something. Look at this. Ooh, pretty. That's really pretty lace. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just move this out of the way just a little, and I'll just show you each of the things. Wow, look at that. So these are some lace. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and just open this one up. Oh, look at this. It's really cool. Oh my gosh. Cool. Look at that. That's really neat. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna move these to the side. Wow. Oh, these are so nice. And some more pieces of lace and trims. Look at that. Ooh, look at this one with the hearts on it. So neat. Cute. Big one. Oh, I can't wait to use these. I could use these on my journaling and on my slow stitching. Cute. Okay. And the next thing is this. Oh, this is neat. Look at that. It's a pocket with some ephemera in it. Oh, cute. And a postcard. Cute. I love it. Oh, neat. This is really cute. Cute. Okay. Oh, look at that. Wow. A little baby journal. Look at that. Wow, it's created from a piece of her parents' wedding quilt in the 50s. Wow, cool. Aww, so neat. Look at that. Oh, and happy Easter. Cute. Oh my goodness. Cute. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. Oh, I love it. Put that inside of there. Ah, this is so beautiful. I will cherish it for sure. Oh, oh, and some treats inside of here. Oh, and some tea. Look at that. Oh, cute. Coffee flavored. I do love coffee. And look at that tea. Oh, yum. That tea looks really good. Oh my gosh. And word cards. Oh, so these are, I guess, are little cards you can write words on. Cool. Cute. Oh my goodness. Look at all of this. Beautiful. Look at those. Oh my gosh, look at this flower. Pretty. Wow, look at these. Cute. I love them. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up a little, and then so I can put music with it, so I can just show you all of the things, and then I'll speak again at the end. Oh. This one says handmade from someone in Brazil. Ladies make the lace on white sandy beaches and enjoy adding pieces to your journal. Oh, look at that. Wow. That pretty. Nice. Oh my gosh. So pretty. This fabric is really pretty. All of this stuff is so pretty. Ooh, dictionary pages. I love these. Cool. I love all this old ephemera. This is really neat. All right, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love everything my partner gave me. It is way too much. It's so great. Look at those strawberries. Oh, okay. I love all of it. Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.